Welcome back to my channel MCQ with Tuktuk. In this video, we'll see 30 most important MCQs related with MS Word. Our first question: how can you apply heading 1 style to the selected text? That is Ctrl plus Shift plus 1 or Ctrl plus Alt plus 1. The right answer is Ctrl plus Alt plus 1. Yes, it is Ctrl plus Alt plus 1. Next question: how to apply default bullet style? That is Ctrl plus Shift plus L. We'll get another question: how to apply default bullet number list. We'll see it later on. Our next question: how to insert footnote at the cursor. How to insert footnote at the cursor? That is Ctrl plus Alt plus F. Our next question: how to copy formatting of the selected text? That is how to use format painter using shortcut keys. The right answer is Ctrl plus Shift plus C. Next question: how to apply heading to style? That is Ctrl plus Alt plus 2. Our next question: how to paste copied formatting? Once you have copied the formatting, how will you paste it as you do it using format painter? That is Ctrl plus Shift plus V. Ctrl plus Shift plus V. Our next question: how to insert an endnote at the cursor? To insert the endnote at the cursor, the shortcut is Ctrl plus Alt plus D. Our next question: how to apply normal style to the selected text? To apply normal style to the selected text, our right answer is Ctrl plus Shift plus N. Next, how to insert a new comment. To insert a new comment, that is not Ctrl plus Shift plus M, that is Ctrl plus Alt plus M. Then our next question: how to toggle all caps for the selected text? To toggle to all caps for the selected text, you have to use the shortcut key, that is Ctrl plus Shift plus A. Our next question: how to switch between print preview and document mode? Our right answer is Ctrl plus Alt plus I. Next question: how to increase the font size one step? To increase the font size one step, that is Ctrl plus Shift plus greater than sign. Ctrl Shift and greater than sign. How to apply heading 3 to the selected text? That is Ctrl plus Alt plus 3. Ctrl plus Alt plus 3. Next question: how to decrease the font size one step? You have to use this to increase by one step, because you cannot increase it or decrease it by one step using the drop down menu provided in the toolbar, because there you'll find the options are there for two steps, that is for 12, 14, 16. Control plus Shift plus less than sign. Next, how to insert the registered trademark symbol. To insert the registered trademark symbol, that is Ctrl plus Alt plus R. Ctrl plus Alt plus R. The next question, how to format the selection as superscript. I think you know what is superscript and subscript. Superscript means when you write x square, the 2 comes in the top, that is superscript, and when you type something like formula of hydrogen H2O and 2 comes little down, that is subscript. For superscript, the shortcut key for superscript is Ctrl plus Shift plus equal to. How to insert copyright symbol? To insert copyright symbol, you have to use Ctrl plus Alt plus C. Next question, how to insert a non-breaking hyphen? That is Ctrl plus Shift plus hyphen underscore. Next question, how to insert the trademark symbol? That is Ctrl plus Alt plus T. Next, how to show or hide non-printing characters. Non-printing characters, you all know the symbol like this. For a space, I think it is dot. Like this, some symbols are there which you will see in the screen but will not get printed. How to insert those? That is Ctrl plus Shift plus 8. Next question, how to switch print layout view? How to switch to print layout view? That is Ctrl plus Alt plus P. Our next question, how to insert a non-breaking space? That is Ctrl plus Shift plus space. Our next question, how to switch to draft mode? To switch to draft mode, the option is that is Ctrl plus Alt plus N. Our next question, how to apply hidden text formatting? Ctrl plus Shift plus H. Then our next question, how to open paste special dialog box? Paste special means if you want to paste only the values or you want to paste only some special feature of the copied portion, you can use, that is Ctrl Alt and V. Our next question, how to convert letters to small caps? That is Ctrl plus Shift plus K. Ctrl plus Shift plus K. Next, how to insert a number list? To insert the number list, that is Ctrl plus Alt plus L. And the previous one for standard list, that was Ctrl plus Shift plus L. How to apply double underline to the selection? To apply double underline to the selection, Ctrl plus Shift plus D. Next question, how to split the document window? To split the document window, that is Ctrl plus Alt plus S. Next question and the last question, how to turn the track changes on or off? That is Ctrl plus Shift plus E. This will help you to track the changes on or off. Once you press Ctrl plus Shift plus C, you will find this track changes option is on or off. These are the most important 30 MCQs related with MS Word, related to MS Word. Hope you have enjoyed this session. Please like this video, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and see you in the next video very soon. Thank you and bye bye.